It's me again, Charlotte Albarico, and today I am going to show you my second activity in CAD. Here we go. The first thing to do is to create a circle. Let's say our circle is 50. And then let's create a line. Let's determine where is the center, and then 170 degrees for 50 because our radius is 50. And then let's say 80 with an angle of 120 degrees, and then back again to the circle, and then let's ortho on in order for us to create a straight line. And then let's assign 120 and then 50 here in the horizontal line, and vertical line is 120 again, sorry. And then from here let's create a line from here up to here, let's say 45, and then let's connect the angle with 111 degrees. Let's create a line again from here and then up to here because our auto mode is already on, so we can always create a straight line and then erase. So we already made our first figure, and it is the same as what we can see here on the right side of our screen. Then the second one, a polygon which has 6 sides. So the first thing to do is type POL for polygon and then enter the number of sides, which is 6. Sorry for that noise. And then specify the center of polygon, and then we have to choose inscribe in circle. So we have to assign some values here. I think 75 is already enough, but I think it's kind of not straight, I think, because our ortho mode is off, so we have to redo it again, sorry. So let's type again. Oh, sorry, let's type again POL, enter the number of sides, which is 6, specify the center of a polygon, and then scribe in a circle, and then let's ortho on first, and then let's say 75 is our dimension. 75, yes, that's right. And then we are going to create a line from the top to bottom in order for us to have a pattern in doing that second figure. And then from here up to here, yes. And then next we are going to create a circle. So I think 32. I think 32 is already enough. And then we are going to copy this, right click, and then copy selection, and then we are going to move this ortho off, and then sorry, I cannot control my mouse because my mouse is kinda bit old, so I think I might buy some new one. Wait, yes, I think it's okay. Oh my god, wait. Sorry for the delay. And then on the right side, right here, Yes, it's okay. Then ESC, escape. And then we are going to erase this pattern. Type EA erase and then click. So we already made the second figure. Right. Then the third one. We are going to type POL again and then enter 8 sides, specify center waypoint, inscribe in circle. And then our dimension is 75, same as the first figure, the second figure that we have done. So I think it's okay. And then let's create a line from the top here. Let me try it again. Sorry. Up to here and here. Then create another line again from the middle or from the center, and then from to the tip of one of the side of the polygon. And then I think then from here up to here, let's say 32 might be our dimension, I think. Enter. And then 21, I think. And then let's connect the lines to the center of our polygon right here. And then let's type trim in order to erase or to trim out this line. Then enter. Yes. And then mirror, type mirror. And then select enter here, no. And then select this side. Sorry, let me try it again. Wait, mirror, type mirror again, and then select the objects right here, and then nope, sorry, I made a mistake again. Let's undo it again. Let's redo it again. Mirror, type mirror, enter, select the objects. So we have to select this two, and then we have to click here on the center. Then it looks like this. Erase source objects, no. And then let me first type mirror again and click, and then select the objects again. Sorry. Let me do it again. Mirror, then enter, select the objects, and then point the mouse here on the center of the polygon. And then no. Then we already have made our third figure. And then we are going to create our fourth figure. Click circle and then specify the radius. 75 will be the radius. Offset, then enter. Then let's select true, and then let's type 10. And then we are going to create another small circle right here, and then type 25, I think. Sorry. And then let's type offset again, and again true, and then 10 again. Enter. And then we are going to select this small circle and then copy selection. Then we're going to move here, from here, and then here, and then here. And then we have to create a pattern. Let's do that first here on the big circle. And let's find the center first, and then we have to create a 45 degree, and then our dimension is 75. Enter. And then we are going to do that on the other side, or to the, I think, quadrant 3. And then let's do another 135 degrees with 75 dimension. Line again, and then 135 again, and then 135, 75. Enter. And then another 45 here, 150. I think it is all correct. Escape. And then we are going to create another pattern here on the smart circle. From here we have to create another 45 degree, which has a dimension of 25. 25. Enter. And then another degree here, 135, 135, and then let's type 25. Enter. And then here let's create another pattern again, 135 again, and then 25. Enter. Connect all the 4 small circles here on the big circle by moving. So we have to move here, yeah, and then select, and then move. I think just wait, I can control again my mouse. Yeah, select again, and then right click, move from here to this line. Yeah. OMG, I forgot to draw some pattern here on the 4th circle. Let me draw it first. Let's 25 dimension again with 45 degrees. Sorry, I cannot control my mouse again. 25. And then we are going to move this last small circle, right click, and then move. From here we are going to connect it. Yeah, just like that. So type trim in order for us to trim all those unnecessary lines. Let's trim it, and then we are going to follow the figure on the right side. Okay. It's kind of hard to trim it down because I might delete some lines that should not be deleted or erased. 8, yeah. Here again, let's trim it. Trim here, and we already have our fourth figure. So trimming, I think trimming is the most difficult part here in the fourth figure. And then the fifth one, we are going to create a line, and let's say 180. Our dimension, length and width, we have to create a square, 180 by 180. Then and escape. Then type hatch, enter. I think let's change some setting here, and 0.091. Click here, and then we already have our fifth figure. And then the last one that we're going to do is here. Let's create some circle again. Specify the center, and let's say 75 again. And then we are going to offset again, and then click. Let's select through, and then let's type 15, and then select here, and then type again 15, and then select here, and then type again 15. Then the last one, select again and type 15. So we already have our pattern, I think. And then let's create a line. We have to divide it into half. Yeah, and it's already divided into half, and then we have to trim it. So enter, and then select the objects, and then right here, click here, and then click here, click here, click here. Select the objects that should be trimmed, and then you cannot trim it. So escape, and then let's select here and here, and just type erased. Enter. Sorry, it didn't erase. Again, type erased. Right, we already have our pattern, and then let's create a line, and then 75. Enter, and then offset again. Offset again, we have to 15 through, select, then 15, then select again 15, and then select again 15 is our interval, 15 here, and then 15 here at the center. And then we are going to type array, then select the objects, and sorry, let me try it again, and then select, click here, and then choose polar, and then click here, and then we have to change some setting here on the items. Let's change it into 4. Oh, we already have our sixth figure, our last figure. So I think what I did is same as what the figures of exercise 2.3 portray. So I think that would be all, and I hope you learned something from me, and thank you for listening.